Hello kids, welcome to our math class. Today we are going to learn something very easy and fun. Yes, addition. That means the plus sign. Today I will teach you addition in a very easy way. Watch this video carefully till the end and learn how to do addition. So let's get started. Addition means putting things together. For example, if I have one apple and one more apple, how many apples do I have? Yes, I have two apples. That's addition. Let's try with balloon. I have two balloons. If I get three more balloons, how many balloons do I have in total? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 2 plus 3 equal to 5 balloons. I have 5 balloons. Now let's do some number sums. 1 plus 1 equal 2. Yes. 2 plus 2 equal 4. 3 plus 1 equal 4. 5 plus 4 equal 9. Easy, right? Okay kids, now it's your turn. Tell me, what is 2 plus 2 equal? Yes, guess. Yes, 4. Good. What is 3 plus 2 equal? Guess. Yes, 5. Good job. Well done kids. Today you learn additions, the plus sign. Next time we will learn more fun math together. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.